How sad. I'm getting fat. And ugly.
Cut it out. You're the best actor I have ever seen. But this time, show more of your feelings.
What? My feelings?
Come on, say it. Brrr. I love you, Sally.
What?
You stupid girl. Girl, wake up.
What? I'm sleepy.
How can you be so cruel? This movie's my full life. Must be boring life. Stupid! If you keep saying that, we're not friends anymore.
And if we are not friends, we are lovers.
No, we're not lovers. Let's finish the damn video. A boy in my class was always watching me every moment. And then it just happened. I'm okay now, but there is still the gum between my legs. No! You ruined my beautiful story!